In this video, we are going to talk about the Tally Connector solution from EasyReports. The Tally Connector is more than a decade old. We've done a lot of improvements over the years. But overall, let me explain to you the features which are available. So we've got the one-click import where you can select, whatever companies are there, and then you just click on submit and the import would run in the background. We've got a separate option for stock and for sync deletions, which you can manually switch on. We've got a schedule-based import as well. So you can set up a schedule and there are various schedule frequencies available. You can set up multiple schedules. You can set the active times. So in case you only want the import to run in the night or specific times, you can do all of that. And then we've got advanced settings as well. So in case you want to control the date range and all, but typically we don't recommend this. It's the sync mode is the best mode to run the sync. The Tally Connector also has various uploads which can be used for reporting. So there are Excel templates which are available, which you can download, fill up data and upload. So you have the download template and upload. And so for various targets and budgets and all, we've got standard uploads. And then we've got the settings where you can, set up various configuration settings. Now we have an import log. We have the import history. There is an email alert also, which goes out once per day or more frequently if you want, which has the import status and import errors, if any. But generally, once you set up the Tally Connector, it runs without intervention. The schedule automatically takes care of sync. So that's all for now. In case you want to know more about Tally Connector, do get in touch with us. Thank you.